Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I prefer to use fresh grated cheese in some of my meals rather than buying shredded cheese. And I love that I found this Rotary Cheese Grater. It really is a great tool for the money. Now I like that it has this suction cup, so it attaches using the little lever. It attaches to the countertop and stays secure. Look at that. So then I put a bowl underneath and I have my cheese and I like to cut it into usable slices. I like that it has this nice large feed chute, so I can put my cheese in there and then grate away. It's super simple. It's easy to crank. It makes it really safe for me. Now I like to put it on the edge of the counter so I have plenty of room. Put a bowl underneath and the chute just throws the cheese right in there. And it's super easy to clean. You just take it apart, unscrew your little lever here, the button to take this off slides forward. Take your little shredder blades out. And the little blades come off easily. You just push them forward and they pop out, so they're easy to wash. You can throw everything in the dishwasher. Caution though, make sure you put it on the top level of the dishwasher. So I really enjoy using this. It's super easy to clean, super easy to take apart, and it comes with this great assortment of blades that I'll probably never use all of them. But it's nice to have for all the different items I need to grate up. So if you like to grate your own cheese for freshness and melting, this one's a keeper. It feels solid, it stays put, it looks great on the counter, it's easy to set up, to use, and to clean. I love it.